We're going to have a good time. Governor Schwarzenegger on a trip to Korea got very excited about blowing it up. And it took about 30 seconds to figure out this would really be a health hazard with all the asbestos, lead, and everything. So the next in line is the wrecking ball. But that is so dangerous and hard on everybody in the community. We said, okay, the right way to do this is deconstruction. So we take it apart piece by piece, and there is $4 million worth of recycled steel, copper, aluminum, aggregates, everything. It's the best way to take it apart. It's the greenest way to do it. It's the easiest thing to do. I'm filling airtime here, I think. Okay.
Fireworks.
Coming down. While you're watching this come down, we have the wonderful opportunity to have LA City Fire Department here on the scene. It's very reassuring. Thanks to LA City Fire Department, Police Department, and SWAT, who've been using this building for the last several months for fire drills. It's a great opportunity to practice in real buildings. We even did little explosions by the SWAT team, blew a few doors off hinges. So this building is really ready to come down. But our thanks to all the city services, fire department, police, building and safety has been tremendous. The building department, planning department, all working with us in doing the parallel plan check process for this building. Quite a change, and very exciting to have a collaboration with all of the city services in designing this building. So that is coming along well. Okay, I'm going to move along. Is that a good idea? Okay, there it is. The first of many pieces of steel to come off this building as we recycle the entire building. For more than 60 years, the Wilshire Grand has stood as an iconic downtown venue. It's hosted the likes of presidents, popes, Academy Awards. It's been the center of Los Angeles arts, culture, and politics through it all. It was purchased by Korean Air in 1989, and the Wilshire Grand took on a new life and its significance in 1990 and continued to be a top destination for world travelers. It was 3 years ago that Korean Air announced its plans to build something completely new and exciting at the site of this iconic building on the corner of Wilshire and Figueroa. We're proud to be here today to officially start the deconstruction and make way for this transformative new project. What will eventually be one of the most sophisticated, unique, and impressive buildings in the world. 70 stories tall, it will be Los Angeles' second tallest building. It will offer the city's premier hotel experiences and Class A commercial space and the finest dining and retail in Los Angeles. So when you envision this building, think of coming up from grade on a 3-acre site, a very large hotel convention center base. Out of it, on this side, is a 70-story tower, which starts off with 20 floors of office building and then is topped out with the remaining floors, 900 rooms of hotels, 4-star plus hotel rooms. On top of that is an iconic top, unlike anything you've seen in Los Angeles, with the hotel lobby, restaurant, observation decks, and a bar all on the top with a very iconic top, which we're going to show you, not today, but at the beginning of the year with a special unveiling. I also want to give special thanks to the City Fire Department, who are working with us closely in the design of the top of this building to solve a number of issues relative to new trends in fire, life safety, and helicopter access. It will be the only hotel to greet visitors with a sky lobby, with sweeping views of the city and a breathtaking infinity pool. More than just a hotel, it has the 400,000 square feet of Class A office space and the hotel base, which has restaurants and retail. For 40 years, Korean Air has been a proud partner to our city. They're the largest Asian air carrier at LAX, with Korean Airlines flying in a new fleet of A380s. They've also helped make the city a global connection and destination for world travelers, and their parent company, Hunch Shipping, is the largest bulk carrier into our harbor. Tremendous trading partner for Los Angeles. Built on the uncompromising commitment to high quality service and attention to detail, Korean Air brings the same exacting eye to the development of the new project. Keep in mind, this building is a long-term asset for Korean Air. This will stay in their portfolio for a long time. It's built as a long-term asset, and that means a very high quality. Thanks to the support of our elected leaders, this project is now a reality. I particularly want to thank our previous Councilmember Jan Perry from the 9th District, for shepherding the entitlement process, which was unanimous in City Council. I also want to thank Councilmember Jose Huizar for all of his efforts and helping us meet some of the new challenges in fire life safety and his stewardship with us and working with the city agencies. Thanks to the Planning Department, the Department of Transportation, Department of Building and Safety. This is one of the projects where we're doing the parallel plan check process. I've got to tell you, it's wonderful for the architects and engineers to collaboratively design a building with building and safety. It's better for everybody, it's faster, and yields a higher quality project. All told, we expect this project will create more than 11,000 jobs and generate more than $80 million in tax revenue through the construction phase alone. Once complete, it will support nearly 2,000 new permanent jobs and create $16 million in annual local tax revenue. And finally, I want to take a moment to thank our downtown partners, the business community that has so stalwartly stood by us during the last 4 to 5 years that we've been working on this. The Los Angeles Area Chamber of Commerce, President Gary Tobin right here in the front row. The Central City Association, Carol Schatz. Valley Industry and Commerce Association, LA Economic Development Corporation, the Downtown Neighborhood Council, the Downtown Business Improvement District, and also LA BizFed. Thank you all for helping us get where we are today. So while this work is just beginning, we're pleased to say that the community is already seeing the benefits to our local economy. And thank you all. I'm now going to pass this microphone